All right, so underneath your desk, you should have 2 sheets. Go ahead and grab those for me. I hear a lot of talking, a lot of it. And that wasn't in the instructions. So get the review sheet. We're going to be analyzing paragraph sentencing today. Very, very easy. So first, we're going to do the objective like we usually do. So repeat after me. Students will be able to analyze sentences in a text and understand how they contribute to the main idea. So the main idea in your case, most of the time, it's probably either called the main idea or the central idea. It's basically the same thing, so don't get confused if you see 2 different words. Okay, so first for the review sheet. As you can see, you see that there is text structure. And basically text structure is how information is organized. And so since I didn't want y'all to have to write all of this stuff. So what Ms. Freeman did was fill the sheet out for you already. You're welcome.
Ms. Freeman. Thank you. Ms. Freeman, I got a question.
I'm the GOAT. Thank you. I'm the best. I'm the greatest. So can somebody read for me what descriptive text structure is? Raise your hand, please.
The text describes the characteristics of the text.
Can someone raise their hand and read compare and contrast? Yes.
The text describes a problem and how it was solved.
All right. Problem and solution. Yes, Stephen.
The text describes the problem and how it was solved.
Wow. Okay. That. Everybody got a pencil? Because that is a typo. For compare and contrast, that's my fault. If you have a pen or a pencil. So mark that one out. Just exit out. Mark it out. On compare and contrast and problem and solution, you see that I got the same definition. That's my fault. That's a typo on my part. But so the one for problem and solution is right. Compare and contrast is wrong. So for that one, just put comparing similarities and differences in the text. Okay, can someone read cause and effect? Or raise your hand, please. Yes. And order in sequence.
The text describes a sequence of events or a list of steps.
Okay, so for all of these you see on the far right, it's all examples. So for descriptive, it says Janie was a beautiful girl. She had long black hair and eyes bluer than the ocean. Whenever she would walk by, it seemed as if the world stopped to watch. So it's a lot of adjective, a lot of describing words when you're thinking of something descriptive. Compare and contrast. Apples and oranges are both fruits. Although they are both fruits, apples are red and oranges are orange. For problem and solution, since Brianna's head was hurting, she took medicine. Basically, all of these, what they basically say is what they are. Don't overthink it. That's just what it is. For cause and effect, it says because Haywood was up playing video games all night, he was sleeping in class the next day. When you think of cause and effect, you see I have clues. It says since, therefore, reason. Those words will clue you that this is probably a cause and effect scenario. And then for order in sequence, it says first I went to the store, next I got out. It might say then I did this, after that I did this. It's those type of words. So everybody understand that? Yes? Okay. So now we're going to move on to central idea. So basically the central idea of a story is what the story is mostly about. It is sometimes stated in one sentence. It's not always just one sentence, but more than likely, if you see one sentence, it's probably the central idea. So let's figure out the central idea of this passage together. So it says, learning how to ride a bike is no easy task. Most people learn as children. I know. This one is just the one on the board, then the next one. It says, learning how to ride a bike is no easy task. Most people learn as children and mount their first bicycle with training wheels. Those training wheels eventually come off. When that happens, usually someone runs behind the bicycle holding the back of the seat as the rider learns to balance on two wheels. As the runner runs back and forth down the street, the rider eventually picks up on how to lean to stay up on two wheels. Eventually, the runner lets go of the seat and the rider rides off on his or her own. What is the central idea of this passage? So think about it for a second. Shouldn't take too long. It's really review.